day after Valentine's Day. My husband got me these flowers. They're really pretty. My favorite kind of flower. So I have to try to keep it alive. Isn't that pretty? Say hi. Yeah. So cute. Today's Tuesday. He likes being on camera. So funny. He just looks at it. If it's on me, he's like looking at it, like, put it back on me. There you go, Keenan, watch. So funny. So anyways, Tuesday. I'm at dance class. What's the matter?
I'm so hungry.
Let's go see Kane. He wants juice really bad.
And I am hungry.
And he's hungry, but he dropped his bagel on the floor. And he had breakfast. Don't think I'm not feeding him. He had breakfast. And it's, what time? Well, it's almost 10. But he had a bagel. And, hi. Ah! Why are you pulling on the camera? Punk, punk, punk. Ah, I dropped a bottle cap on the floor.
Oh, we did.
Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Hey. Where are we going?
Dance class.
Okay. Let's go.
Off to dance class.
Okay. Is this on?
Now wait till next to charge it.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's Kane. I thought it was Kane. Anyways, dance is over. We're headed home. Tuesday.